out here. This is the shop.
So, I don't know if the channel's met you yet, but this is John.
No, I'm John. What's up?
He drives a
2012 Volkswagen GLI. I'm also building a 2000 Golf GTI VR6, hopefully.
But today, he's gonna be helping me with my door and my bumper. Sadly, my neighbor backed into me, so I need to get another door. Thank you to David, because I got a brand new door from him and a brand new bumper as well.
Let's see
for like dirt cheap. So what's the purpose of taking everything off first?
Basically just to access the bolts for this, and then otherwise, once this is off and this is off, then we're good. We can just flip it over and start sanding. So what I say goes.
Yeah, cool. Whatever. So after a quick disassembly of the door, we're almost ready to flip it over and sand it. Now that the door is all taken apart and disassembled, you can actually see what we're working with here. We got some pretty deep scratches, so we're gonna have to sand it down pretty much all the way and repaint the entire door. How long do you think it's gonna take?
Just to get those out?
Yeah.
20 minutes.
20 minutes. Huh?
There was rust. Little bubbles of rust.
Ah. Whatever.
Use protection. Yeah, we're gonna have to.
All right, let's jump to the time lapse. Like you said, within the matter of 20 minutes, we have the damaged part taken care of. Is there anything else that we have to go in on this panel?
I mean, we just have to put an interface pad on the DA. Every little imperfection, Jesus Christ. And every little imperfection is going to be sanded out with 180 and then go over it with 320 and primer.
So, very simple process. Obviously, he's a professional. He knows what he's talking about. Not big of a deal. Yeah, come here.
You have Bondo on plastic, and then even worse Bondo underneath that. That's like your $20 Bondo that you get at Walmart. It was $40.
40 bucks. 40 bucks. It's a little messed up and or broken. Is it broken or messed up?
It's gone.
It's gone. It's not there. Okay, never mind.
So we're taking this piece of tape and we're basically gonna remake that piece there. So I'm seeing the lines on this side, and then I'm just gonna fill the outside. There's a million ways to do it, but this is my way of doing it.
So John has officially finished sanding it down. He got all the parts that he wanted to get down. Like for instance, this spot right here, it had like a little rust bubble on it or something. But he's got it all masked up, ready for paint or ready for primer.
So we keep these with lacquer thinner sitting inside of them just in case any leftover primer sits in it and it just keeps it from hardening and ruining the gun. So just gotta blow all that out. You don't want lacquer thinner mixing in with your primer. You wanna know about the system?
I wanna know about the system.
Basically, we're just gonna mix up 4.5 ounces. Using this stuff by PPG. It's good stuff, great stuff, recommend it. It's DPS 3105 for anyone who's a body tech. It's got a built-in guide coat, is what it is. So basically when you sand it, it's shiny in the spots where there are imperfections. So we're gonna mix up 4.5 ounces. Got it up in the system, skip. All right, here we go.
So after priming, what do you want to do?
What do I want to do?
Yeah.
Kind of want to go home.
What are you doing in your hands?
Oh, just gonna clean it out with lacquer thinner. Always take the little nozzle off, because there is an O-ring in there that you do not want to get lacquer thinner on, otherwise it will destroy it and then cause more problems down the road.
John's done finishing primering the door. We're just gonna clean up here and head out. So thank you, John, for helping me out today.
Yeah, thanks for having me on the channel. This is awesome.
Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay static. Let's head out of here.
Is there a bird in here? Or is that outside? Because it sounds like it's coming from up there.
Sounds like it's from like that pocket right there. But he might just be on the roof. Why did we get distracted so easily just now?